is you kind of find your niche, and it's staying true to that. I mean, for me, it was kind of like ski filming with GoPro, and if somebody needed to find, they knew who to go to if they needed a skier to go off jumps and film. But the same thing when I'm looking for people out there that I need. I think people rise up in their own little areas. There's so much noise, so it's good that if you have, like for Rory, for example, in the music industry, I think you, with your personality, combined with your extreme talent in editing and filming, you're somebody that just rises up very quickly. And in that, you have your space and you own it. And I think that's really important, to own your space, staying true to who you are and what you're passionate about, obviously. But I think that's something that I've noticed with a lot of creators that are successful, is they know where they stand in their space and they own it.
Real quick before I forget, now that I keep just looking at all your awesome photos right here. If you guys don't know Abe, you guys should check him out. I've been following him for like 7 years now, and it's definitely been like a huge inspiration to like where, like literally be a huge part of like why I'm even sitting here, like getting to do what I do, because like I've seen his work, and like he's like a consistent filmmaker and creative in the sense of not only pushing himself, pushing a brand like GoPro, but like his website, you should check it out. Every time like a new camera comes out, or you have any questions about, oh, like I'm interested in the Fusion, or I'm interested in GoPro, like he has all these tutorials, and I literally, yeah, I'm successful, established as a filmmaker, but I always go to his site when these products come out, because it literally has, like, it can teach you everything about it, and there's a lot of good information.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
We've got a microphone that will pass around for questions. If we do a hands up, real quick, one more GoPro plug. Downstairs, if you're interested in Fusion, it's $100 off plus 2 free SD cards. So there's my commercial plug. Hunter will appreciate that. Any questions in the audience, just raise your hand.
Can I buy one right now?
Downstairs, yes.
It's definitely worth it. I've got two. This one for my 5. I have a few.
I have a question about overcapture. I was watching your ski.
Well, I just got out of the GoPro Expo. Those guys are awesome. GoPros are like the most best versatile tool ever for vlogging. So if you don't know if you want to get into vlogging, or if you do, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on a DSLR camera, then I would highly suggest getting a GoPro. I would start off small. I'd get the Hero. It's about $200. It has a resolution of 1440, and you can do it about 60 frames. It's definitely worth it. I would suggest that. Or for a little $100 more, you can go for the 5, which is their main, and that gives you 4K abilities. And I would definitely suggest getting a very large SD card. Typically starting off at about maybe a 30 to 64 actually would be a better recommendation, depending on how long a video you plan on shooting. So yes, I would suggest doing that. Again, this is Black Apino, the Apple guy. We're gonna go to the expo, and we're gonna go just kind of walk around, and we're gonna just see what's going on.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, also, the interesting thing about Canadian money, it does not tear. Sure, try and tear that money. Yeah. It's hard to do it. It's almost impossible to tear it. She's like, no, don't tear my money. What if he actually did it and I have to pay you? In Contentos? Guys, speaking of Contentos, I know.
What happened to my interview?
This show is about me. You are the comic. Okay, I don't know. Okay, interviews. She's from New York City. What did you do before you decided to become a full-time live meter? You're welcome. She's a chef. How long? So, like a chef? Like Chef Boyardee or Chef Gordon Ramsay?
Chef Nat.
She's like, I have a name. Okay, fine. So what did you like to cook? So like, you're from New York, did you make any pizzas and spaghetti or ravioli?
I made hamburgers.
This is Listen Knows, y'all. If you don't know her, I'm gonna give you a link in the description of her YouNow and her YouTube. She is awesome.
Oh, thank
She
you.
loves arcades. Do not
I
get
do
her
love
near a
arcades.
claw game. She will murder
Yes,
you in
I
that
will
all
murder
day.
the claw
She loves
machine.
that. She is the sweetest person. She is so
There's
cool.
a way, a Japanese claw machine game that you can actually.
Tariba, right? Yeah, Tariba. I played.
This, folks, is Hannah. She's not short. She's tall.
I'm super tall.
What? No, I'm recording. I can go live with it if I wanted to with it.
I was like,
No.
see when people are like that, you're just like, oh, they must be lying.
No, it's just another way for me to record. It's much easier.
It's pretty good.
This is Hannah.
Okay.
If you don't know her, she's a huge star on you now. Huge.
So,
She is from Sweden and she is awesome. She's sweet. I'm gonna drop a link in my description so you can follow this girl.
Thank you.
She's a model. This
No, I'm
girl is
not.
a model. She's modest. She's a model.
I'm
She
not.
really is.
I'm definitely not.
She's
I have too much
she's
of a
just being
pretty
modest. She's being modest. She's a model. But she's really cool though. You like her. See?
Thank you.
She's got a nice smile. I'm making her giggle, but she's really cool though. Say hi, Hannah.
I am Hannah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say Hannah. Wow, that's FUBAR. That's twice I've done that today. Twice I've got two girls' names mixed up. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The most laughing. I don't know. I laugh way too much.
Yeah. This is Jessie. If anyone doesn't know who she is, she had a hard time getting here.
Yes.
We were gonna tell her she had to get here. This guy's name is Hunter. I've only known him on YouNow as
Oh
name,
my
but I've never
God.
seen him before in face. Now that I know who he is,
Everyone knows I had a hard time getting here. Like everyone knows. Like,
this guy is cool.
I
This
think
girl, I'm glad she's here now because she is so sweet. She's one of the sweetest girls. Next to her, this girl right here, she is so sweet. We love her. So is this girl. Her name is Candy. Mara. She's awesome. We love her.
I love you. Oh my God.
I am here at the YouNow booth, and I just met two favorite subscribers. Is here. Her name
I'm Hannah.
is Hannah.
You had to think about
I
that.
almost forgot her name for a brief second.
Oh my God.
And I'm sorry. I forgot your name. I'm almost there's a brief moment.
How can you forget my name?
And then Candy, who I wasn't expecting to see here because I asked her numerous times if she was going to show up, but she said no, so she's here. And then another awesome guy here. His name is Dapper the Rapper. If you've never heard this guy, if you don't know his YouNow channel, I'm gonna hook you up with his URL. This guy is fucking awesome. This dude, when you hear him talk, it's like you want to make love to him. I'm not gonna lie, I'd go gay for that. Just saying, oh shit. Sorry, I said that out loud too. Well, you heard me say it. This guy is awesome. You'll like him. This dude is sweet. He's like the baddest dude ever.
Instagram real quick. Can I shoot you guys just, even if you guys want to gotta go this way.
Getting this photo on. Oh wait, Lissy's live.
Huh?
Lissy's live.
She's live?
Yeah.
You just got the notification?
Yes.
Oh my god. It's really
That's Candy.
cute.
This is Hannah with an H because I spell her
Yeah,
name
you spelled
wrong.
my name wrong.
I always
Yeah,
spell her
pretty
name
bad.
wrong, but she never says anything until now when she meets me. I've
You have never spelled my name
I've spelled it
before.
H-A-N-N-A. When you're live,
If
I
I
always spell
seen
it that.
it, I would have told you.
You respond every time you see me when I mean you're live, and I spell it
You don't
H-A-N-N-A.
spell it that way.
The H is
Are
silent.
you high?
No.
I know we're in California, but damn.
She's a violent person. Just to let you know.
I'm not
She's
violent.
violent. She's
Do you
already.
see my stature? Is that it? Stature?
Yeah, she's violent. I'm gonna stand away from her just in
Wait,
case.
let me get it. Yeah, that's different right there.
It's okay. I'm recording it anyway, though. I told you I was gonna put you in a vlog anyway.
Wait. How long have you guys been here?
Like an hour.
I've been here since 6:50.
I just had you.
I've been up since
That's not bad. It's not a bad. It's a pretty cool tool. It's a lot easier than me holding my phone.
I like that. So what like GoPro you got?